Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to install the steaming attachment to your Monsieur Cuisine Smart. In order to install it, you'll need to remove the lid by twisting it, removing it, and then install the steaming attachment. First install the dish, which is the bottom part, and it has a lid included in it, so you just kind of put it on at an angle and then twist it clockwise to put it on. Now, sorry, I didn't show you the full thing. Well, there it is. Let me show you that once again. You put it on at an angle, then you kind of twist it clockwise and then put the tray on top or not, depending on whether you want to use the tray. If you don't want to use the tray, you could just put the lid on top. But I will use the tray, so let's put the tray and then put the lid on top. The bottom part of the steaming attachment is great for some harder ingredients, and the tray is great for some softer ingredients that need less cooking power. And later you can just go to your system and find the steam option, which will let you set the time. As you can see right here, lets me set the time. And for that you need to put at least 1 liter of water for those 20 minutes. And if you want to cook for longer, then for every additional half hour you need to put additional half a liter of water. So like for 15 minutes that would be 250 milliliters of water, or 250 grams of water. And then you could start it, and it would just heat up the water, and the steam produced would heat up the meal. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.